Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next point, that is why non-cooperation, why Gandhiji selected non-cooperation, or why it is important here in India, Indian situation, that we are going to see. In his famous book Hindu Swaraj 1909, you want to note that one, please underline that one. Hindu Swaraj 1901, Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians and had survived only because of this cooperation. And Gandhiji is one of the book when he was in South Africa, that time itself he written, that is Hindu Swaraj in 1909. In that Gandhiji very clearly he is saying like that Indians are very cooperative, because of that only these British people came and started the rule here, and still it is they are surviving here in India because of our cooperation. So that is our nature. When we are saying like that, we used to say like that Indians, we won't say like that no to other people. Instead of if anyone comes, we will welcome them. Like that we can see the Indian history, what all things we studied from 6th standard onwards. We can see different inventions came here, where different dynasty people they came here. Mughal dynasty, then we can see the Delhi Sultanate, in that many kingdoms came. Then like that many people they came, we welcomed each and every dynasty or empire. That is our Indian basic nature. We are showing maximum hospitality to others. If somebody is coming, we will if that person is known or unknown person, then also we used to welcome them, and we used to say to them, sit inside and drink water, and we will make tea, and we will make them to be feel at home, even though they are not at all familiar to us. That is our Indian nature. Same thing Gandhiji also assessed that one, and he said that one in his book. In which book? Hindu Swaraj. And if Indians refuse to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within years, not within a day. Gandhiji never said within a year, and Swaraj would come. If the Indians are saying like that, we are not ready to cooperate with you people, then within 1 year they will go back, and we can enjoy Swaraj. Like that Gandhiji is saying. Okay, then how could non-cooperation become a movement? Gandhiji is thinking like that, how we can make the non-cooperation, how we can make it as a possible one, or like a movement. Like that Gandhiji is thinking, and how Gandhiji is convincing other leaders, or how he is proposing that one, and how he is getting the support of all the Indian National Congress members as well as the major leaders. We are going to see that one. Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold in stages, not in one time. It slowly we want to unfold it, and it should begin with the surrender of titles. What Gandhiji is saying, we want to surrender our titles, like Mahatma, or like different knights, like that different post we got, the titles we got, that we want to surrender. Which one? Awarded by government means the British government. And a boycott of civil services. Some of them are working as the major officers of government, and they want to say no to that. Boycott means we want to refuse that one. We don't want like that, we want to say. And what all things? Civil services we want to refuse: army, police, court, legislative council, schools, foreign goods. To all the things which is make us to be surrendered in front of British, that everything we want to say no to that. So that was his idea about non-cooperation. Then in the case of government used repression, a full disobedient campaign would be launched. If the government is taking the suppressive method or a brutal method, what they taken in the Jallianwala Bagh, like that something, then what we want to do? We want to move to civil disobedient campaign. Like that Gandhiji is proposed that one. Then through the summer of 1920, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali turned extensively, mobilizing popular support for the movement. we can see who is Shaukat Ali, that is the brother of Muhammad Ali, and Gandhiji and Shaukat Ali, they are working together for the to get the people or awareness, to make awareness among people to get the support for the non-cooperation. That is in summer season of 1920. Many within the Congress were, however, concerned about the proposal. Some of the people, they said yes to the proposal, and they were reluctant to boycott the council elections scheduled for November 1920, and they feared that the movement might lead to the popular violence. What happened before also, like that, even though Gandhiji is saying, giving the idea that is better idea, best idea, but knowingly or unknowingly people may lead to will come to at the end of the violence, like that. They thought the people, those who said yes, we are ready to support Gandhiji's idea, and we are ready to boycott the council meeting, council election also, but they have in their mind they had a fear like that some people, they may reach to in the form of violence. Then in the month between September and December, there was an intense tussle within the Congress. Means one group, they said yes, we are ready to support Gandhiji. Other side, they said we are not ready to do like that. We want it is the need of the time. We want to take the weapons in our hand, and without blood we won't get freedom, like that they are thinking. So like that, two groups it formed in the Congress itself, and they had in Congress itself we can see a tension in between September and December. For a while there seemed no meeting point between no meeting point between the supporters and the opponents of the movement. We already said there were some people they were supporting, and other people they was totally against to that, and there was no space for the to meet and discuss this one and come to this conclusion, like that. There was no chance in Congress itself. Finally, at the Congress session at Nagpur in 1920, a compromise was worked out, and the non-cooperation program was developed. So you want to underline that one, the Congress session of Nagpur, in which year and month you want to write. Question may come like that. National Congress session in December 1920. Then you want to point out where is you want to remember in December 1920 where it happened, and that place also you should be thorough with. Nagpur, it is in Maharashtra. So you want to be familiar with that. Please underline that one. So in 1920 December, that is in the Congress session of at Nagpur, that time they taken means they came together and discuss, and they taken the conclusion like that to launch going to adopt or launch non-cooperation movement. And how did the movement unfold? So how it is working in front of the people, or how it is started to work one by one group, that we want to see, and who all participated in it, and how did different social groups conceive the idea of non-cooperation. Means each and every group, there are many social groups in India. It may be in the name of religion or caste, like that many groups are there, and each and every caste, or in the name of occupation, or in where we are living, according to that the group social group, if you are taking many varieties of group we can see, and each and every group how they received that one, how they understood that non-cooperation, that we want to see. That is the second point what we are going to see, differing stance within the movement. Each and every group we want to see 3 points. One is the town people, movement in town, and movement in countryside, means the village side, and in between the plantation workers. Like that 3 points we want to see in the how they participated in the non-cooperation movement. Okay, we are stopping here, but in next video we will continue.